Committee on Senior Citizens, Honorable Chairperson Milagros Aquino Magsaysay.
To our respected and beloved House Speaker, the Honorable Faustino Bojidi III, our Majority Leader, Honorable Ferdinand Alexander Sandro Marcos, our Appropriations Committee Chair, Honorable Micaela Angela B. Swansing, Honorable Miro Esquimbo, Chairperson of the House Committee on Ways and Means, Honorable Marcelino Nonoy Libanan, House Minority Leader, to our distinguished colleagues, Vice Chairpersons and members of the House Committee on Senior Citizens, Attorney Merceditas Gutierrez, the Chairperson of the National Commission for Senior Citizens, our partners from various national government agencies, Secretary Lopez Santos of the NAPSI, our beloved presidents and leaders of different senior citizens associations, organizations, and federation, isang mapagpalang umaga po sa ating lahat. Magandang buhay po sa inyo. We're all part of the history in the making. Last March 18, 2026, we launched our nationwide voluntary signature campaign dubbed as Milyong Lagda para sa Matatanda, Universal Social Pension ngayon na for the urgent passage of the Universal Social Pension Bill into law. Said launch propelled the united actions and volunteer efforts our beloved senior citizens from across the country to signify their full support to the clarion call of our older population for passage of the long-awaited social pension for all Filipino elderly. Our ceremonial partial turnover today of almost 2 million signatures in support of the bill reverberates the strong clamor of the more than 12 million senior citizens all over the country asking for our government to give preferential attention for the promotion of their welfare and rights. Since the 17th Congress, or almost a decade now, I have been advocating for this measure not as a grant of privilege but a recognition of our senior citizens' rights. With the emergencies of various economic crises and challenges that befall on our elderly, now more than ever, the universal social pension becomes an existential and moral imperative. Ngayon po, higit kailanman, kailangan na nating ipagkaloob ang social pension, hindi lang para sa mga indigent senior citizens, kung para sa lahat ng matatandang Pilipino, nang wala nang pinipili, nang wala nang sinisino. Those thousands, if not millions of our elderly today live below poverty line amidst allegations of corruption and anomalies. They are one of the most vulnerable sectors of our society. They experience serve hunger day in and day out. In many respects than one, they're being deprived of basic social services and access to quality health care services. Basta 60 years old pataas, dapat po ibigay na ang karapatang ito. Matagal na po namin itong ipinagdarasal. Tulad po ng walis, ang lakas ng nakatatandang Pilipino ay nagmumula sa ating pagbibigkis, sa ating pagkakaisa. With the benevolent help of our House leadership, it is our ardent hope that our prayers and efforts will not be in vain. We earnestly hope that this Congress will make stand yet again to advance the dignity of the Filipino elderly. Alam po ninyo, ang lahat ng sumuporta at nagmahal sa dating Pangulong Ferdinand E. Marcos Sr. ay mga senior citizens na po lahat ngayon. Kung kaya naman po, kung nais po ng ating mahal na Pangulong Bongbong Marcos na suklian ang suporta at pagmamahal na yan, hinihiling po namin ipasana po ninyo ang Universal Social Pension. Alam ko pong malapit na malapit tayo sa puso ng ating Pangulong Bongbong hindi niya tayo bibiguin. Our humble appeal to our President, please look upon your lolos and lolas. Mahal na Pangulo, 12 milyong nakatatandang Pilipino po at dumarami pa ang kumakatok sa inyong puso. Let this be your legacy, Mr. President, and you will never be forgotten in the pages of our history and in the hearts of our people. Let this be your testament of love and respect, not only for the senior citizens of today, but of generations yet to come. And for certain, you will forever be remembered as the President who loved the Filipino senior citizens. Simula pa lamang po ito. We hope to gather more and more signatures from across our regions, provinces, cities, and municipalities until our voices are heard and our signatures turn into law. Muli po, maraming salamat po. Sa bagong Pilipinas, may universal social pension na. Matatanda, ating mahalin.